ka Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya JNV Southwest Council District lingba ka tanat puli puthi jong sarkar India minta kasing ka kalai tere gurampang arhaja apun riu kala pyo ban pelong ya ka program bekerpang belatip kum ka football to school FOS apo ka hall jong ka JNV Southwest Council District akabau pa renekton lingdo tongkhar ubade MLA ka mau kurwat constituency kum kongsan laban kedong pa ka jing temu jong ka football for school FOS kalong ban no senyang sya ka jing nang jing start ka jing roy bat ka jing pen kobor ya kumba news pa million ngut ki kena ka wat ban pelong ya ka football ka ba kamsung ban yo ya ki kena shinrang bat kan thai akeleng ka perthai da ka ba penrung ya ki kam football ha ka rukam hikai ha ka jing lang bat ki bor ba dei pen bat ki nang shim benta ya ka ni ka FOS la sedang ha India da ka Federation International de Football Association FIFA Shushu ya ka ni ka program la pelong lingba ka jinget lang bat ka FIFA da ka ba kila yo ban ya ki bol kenjan shaki khat pratali ki school hapo ka than ka balong pum shibenta ban penshlori ki kena school haki kamile kai kinjal bol khnang baki khenna kin yo lat ban sei ki sap ki phong ki jongki ban pin malien yaladi haki kamile kai da ka ba ong em yo drunk yo duma secret bat ki weide ki jingdi basniu bat ong ho ya ka jingile kai ki weide ki bladan lang ki long ba B Jarwa MPS Superintendent Jongki Pulit Southwest Council District kakong Rita Lynn Sockland DSCO Southwest Council District u principal ka JNV un Nilesh D Hingmire kinohikai bat ki khena school
Kick football for good health.
Standing here to come here and to be a part of you all as part of this historic occasion where FIFA and the central government has come up with this program called the Football for Sports or Football for Schools program. And we cannot overemphasize the importance of sports, and especially a game like football. So for all the kids here today, 20 years ago when I was in school, we didn't have anything like this. In fact, we used to save all our pocket money, whatever we would get. At that time, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, we would save. 20 of us, 25 of us, and we'll save around 300, 400 bucks, and then we would go and buy a football. And within 1 week, that ball would burst. Because the amount of times we would play, the amount of the energy we would be spending playing football was never enough. And I realized, over these years, being where I am today, how football has helped to shape me into who I have become. I started playing football when I was in school, I think class 2 or class 3, as young as you are now. And I continued playing. Even
Dokumen yang kebang iyo kena kalat bandon kena ke sengi kena ke school JNV kabadai ke school jong ka sarkar India kena ke Southwest Council District jongi idon lang berngi i principal jong ka JNV hangne mau kerwat Southwest Council idon ESP jongi idon i madam DSEO idon gini hikai jong kena ke school JNV rengkap bagi student hadin jongi ya kebangi rang sudap ban pendap ya kena ke function ka football distribution tinga ai kublai shibun ya ka jiksim kia jo principal ha ka ba ila khot jangar ku menung khmat be donkat ban distribute ha ki khat pratli ki school menta bat ki sedang don ki school kapto kene ki berman sim lasain ta ka football tikane kalong ka function ke barit hendri kalong ka internet haduk ta katai ka jing sim menta jo ki bon ki school bat ka sukmen ban yo i ya ka jing nang khambha ka pule ka dangle ha kene ka district ka jongi hakabang yo ki kena nong kendong jungi ki balas tap tek banikran pareng banikran hindi ngana sukman hadu kata badi bagi kena nong kendong jungi ki ruai jing ruai hindi bat kumju kinang bhawan kan pareng ngada sukman hadu kata bat kene kapen ba ka education ka pule ka puthi kala nang kiu kene kadong ka thanjungi bat nga penselur ki samla pule ki kena school bat kini pa baki nele ban ya simkia ban wat ban yo admission hukum kini ki school nomor om data kan ke school ke sarang don kui school ban yo ban sedang kan distrik jungi haka bakarang don kajing tei shat ya ke building ka EMRS haka ba kadang don kajing tei ke ba ya syakmat benta nata ka wei ke school KV ya ke ba kidang wat ban yo jakang ikmilti ba ke bon ke school ke ba sponsor da sarkar India kinwan haka negeri distrik jungi ngen yai budin na ke por kumbangi la ya persang ban budin ya kajing penlong kum ne ke bakalong menta ka KJNB da kajing ya tukular lang kajong ke sarkar da jing tukular lang jungi kukirim ikmat haka bangili kajing job jong de school haka bangili yo ban sedang hende mau merang kabari ka permanent campus jong ka de school JNV ye kmi leti ban syak marru ka de school kana syak rikam hai pa ba jong ka thanjungi bat kisam like bubun kidmi de school ban pas ya kajing puli ko bahana ka de school JNV kuble shibun kuble shijarmu